Your Excellency, President of Nigeria, ably represented by his welcome, the GSM and Minister of Works, Aina Wanya. Because no one had not given here, I had a Governor of Abia, Chomanda Abia, Haile Kelege, I represent this constituency. And I home, Ozolane, Obidiane Ma, Haile Kele Kama, Anyaga Apo. Ngaina president, the Nandola say, Lowa Hole Napishin Juju, Alawa Kazu. Mr. President, only one thing in Gaforo, in the Chalanyego, Nyaninta, Nyanimo, when Gaforo no Gafo, what you in Namdekano, and in Surike, Mano.
Thank you, distinguished